I'm gonna pack all my shit and I'm gonna move on from all this basic stuff. Hey friend, welcome back to my channel, Cat Eye Glamour, our little hangout where we can be the most glamorous versions of ourselves. And if you are new here, my name is Marilyn and I'm bringing you all things glamour, beauty, fashion, everything. Just subscribe now, just do it. All right, and today's video is all lashes. I am going to show you how to apply long lashes using my favorite mink lash brand, which is Promise Minks. I am a brand ambassador for Promise Minks because obviously I wear the hell out of these lashes and these lashes wear the hell out of me. I actually have on some Promise Minks now. This is not the one that I'm going to be trying on. These are ones that I already had, and this is Flirt With Me. These are them. These are long 3D lashes. They're not for the weak. So if you're soft, if you're a cotton ball, these ain't for you. Now, in case you're wondering about my glam, what I have on right now is, and this is what I normally have in my eyes a lot of the time, is the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. It's the Ring the Alarm palette. Let me show you the colors here real quick. Here are the colors. This is my speed. This is normally what I have on. I love these type of colors. That's what's on my eyes now. And on my lips, I have the one, the only, the most bougie lip gloss ever, which is the Pat McGrath. And the color that I have is Core Liaison or Correlation. I'm not sure how it's pronounced, but I'll link it below. This lip gloss is popping. Now, we need to move on to the lashes, which is the reason you are here. So let me grab the lashes that I'm going to show you is from the Promise Minks summer collection. Now this collection is not going to be restocked, so as soon as you finish watching this video and you feel like you want these lashes, you need to go in the description box and you need to click the link and go ahead and buy them because they're not going to be restocked and these lashes are popping. So if you're trying to ride, you know, this popping train throughout the summer, follow the instructions. Okay. Now I hope you guys can't hear the lawnmower in the background. I don't even know when they started cutting grass on a Saturday, but it is what it is, I guess. So here are the lashes and look at this packaging. Do you see these suitcases? Do you see this? Look at this packaging. When I look at this packaging, I think, hey, I'm gonna pack all my shit and I'm gonna move on from all this basic stuff. All these regular box lashes, I don't want that. I want a suitcase. We're moving on from basic to summer, and that's what this gives me. So I'm going to show you all the styles before we start trying them on so you can see what they are. And the first one that we have here, and this is a summer collection. Again, this is limited edition, so if you end up liking these at the end of the video, click the link, go ahead and get them. All right, so the first one that we have here, here's the cute box. This is so cute. This alone will make you want to get these lashes. Here's the box. The name of this is called Martini. So let's open Martini and see what Martini looks like. Here she is in the package. Martini is pretty long, but they're very thin and spacey, flirty type lashes. So that's Martini. We're gonna move through this part kind of quick because I'm trying them on anyway, but I just want to show you them first. All right, so the next one that we're gonna look at is Sunshine. Sunshine is long and curly. So this is Sunshine. So these are also flirty because they have those spaces in between it, and this one curls up at the tip. That was Sunshine. The next one that we're going to look at is, what is this one? This one is, oh, this is Martini. Hold on. All right, so the next one that we're going to look at is Kai. It's K, everything is backwards in my screen, but it's K-A-I-I. Kai is really pretty. This is for someone that loves the flirty lashes but don't like them as long. So this is like perfect. This is a really nice lash. A lot of people would like this particular one. All right, so that's Kai, and the last one that I have is called Breezy. Breezy is very similar to Martini. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and put these lashes on because we're on our road to being not basic. So the first ones that I have on, guys, is Martini. So I put it on this eye first just to save time. Now we're going to go ahead and apply this particular eye. Now the glue that I'm going to use is by Duo. This is the glue that I like. You use whatever you like. This is a dark glue. I take my lashes off every day, so I don't put them on for them to last more than the day. All right, so I do remove them, and that's how I actually keep my lashes really long, or they last really long, because I don't sleep in them. I take them off. But if you prefer to keep them on all the time, of course, do that. But that Duo glue is only meant for the day. If you get them to last 2 days, that's great. That's because you probably didn't put any water or get them wet at all. They will do that. They will last. I'm going to go ahead and apply this one. Just when you place the glue on it, make sure you kind of like fan it a bit. If it's your lash, you can blow on it. If you're doing it for someone else, just fan it, because otherwise that's nasty. Yeah. So what we do is you concentrate on, let me just angle my tweezer here. You concentrate on the middle portion of the eyelash, and that's where I kind of anchor. And then when you look in the mirror, you kind of angle it downward here, and just concentrate on placing the center first. So that's what I'm doing. Place the center. Don't worry about anything else but the center at first. So once you do that, you grab your tweezers or your fingers, whichever ones is easier. For me, tweezers are easier. You grab the ends and then you kind of like pull it and attach that. And then you attach the inner corner. Wait, I don't have the end attached really good yet. Hold on. Gotta readjust. And then boom, we attach. Tweezers makes this easy for me. I don't know if you may find it easier using like your nails or something, but tweezers make it easy. I can place it perfectly with tweezers. Without the tweezers, I wouldn't be able to put these on. But these are Martini, and they look so pretty. They look so pretty. And you see, I do not have to put any like liner to camouflage the band, because the band is very dark and it's thin enough to where it sits perfectly on the lash line, and that is my type of lash. I only bring you guys top notch. Trust me, I'm only bringing you top notch, and this looks really good. Okay, so that's Martini. Let's move on to the next one. So the next one that I have on is Sunshine. Sunshine is very long and fluffy. I did have to cut this one. It was a little bit long for my eye. And how you cut them is you just go on the end and you just clip. You measure it, of course. Like I measured mine already, and I just clip the excess. So I'm just going to cut about here. And with these lashes, it's pretty hard to tell what's the beginning and the end. They actually look exactly the same. So I just wing it. I just pick one and clip it, because they're the same exact length on either side. So it won't look crazy. Okay, so just go ahead and pick one and just clip the edges off to suit your eye, and then you go ahead and place it. So I'm going to show you guys this one as well, how we place it. If you didn't catch the wave in the first one, we got these. All right, and these are longer, so longer and a lot more fluffy. So hopefully it's easy for me to show you guys on camera how to apply. I just put a thin layer of glue, grab my tweezers, and like I said at the beginning, make sure you focus on grabbing the center. The center. This is going to help you anchor. You grab the center. I'm just grabbing my mirror here. And then, of course, you allow the glue to dry a little bit, because when you try to apply it too quickly after you place the glue, it is going to be slippery. It's going to be kind of like slipping around everywhere, and it's going to make it hard to apply. So you just give it a few seconds, let it get tacky. You can fan it, you can blow it. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and drop that. Hopefully you can see. Drop it right here on the center. That's all I focus on. I don't care about the edges. I focus on the center, so I can just place it. Then I use my tweezers and I connect it. Oops, it's sticking. My lashes are kind of sticky from the fact that I just took off lashes, the other ones that were glued on. All right, so there it is. It actually attached pretty easy. And the reason this is looking really easy is because the band is very good on these lashes. The band is not stiff. Some lashes do have stiff bands, and it makes it so hard to apply. When you apply one corner, the other corner pops up. You apply this corner, the other corner pops up. This one, it lays and it slays. I told y'all I only bring you good A1, top notch. That's it. All right, so this is Sunshine. What was it, Sunshine? I forgot. It's Sunshine. Okay, Sunshine. Sunshine is long, fluffy, and Sunshine is for that girl. That girl. And I'm she. I am she. I am that girl. Okay? So how y'all like Sunshine? Sunshine is definitely for when you're hanging out. This is not for like Publix. This is not for Walgreens. This is not for picking up your kids. This is for hanging out and being cute. Okay? So here is Sunshine. Let's move on to the next one. Hey guys, so this is Breezy. I love Breezy. It's very similar to Martini, which is the first pair that I tried on. The difference is this one has like maybe a layer or one like strip of more hairs on it, but it's the same sort of flirty style. I love lashes that look like this. My other favorite in the previous bunch that I had was Marley. So if ever Marley is sold out or Martini is sold out, this one is Breezy. They're very similar, but Breezy has a little bit more hair. But I love it. Let me just close up so you guys can see how nice the lash is and how nice the band is. Top notch A1. That's it. Period. Okay, gang, this is the last one. This is Kai. This is definitely a more natural lash. This is a more everyday lash. So Promise Minks literally has a lash for every girl. So every girl is literally that girl. Okay, if you like these lashes, if you like this video, thumbs up. Make sure you thumbs up. You know, I like to see likes, but likes also help me get my video out there. So if you feel like other people need to see me, click the like. It helps YouTube see that maybe they should be recommending this to more people. Be sure to comment, subscribe. All the information is in the description box. I'm going to make it super easy for you to get these lashes. These lashes are, as you can tell by demonstration, they're the bomb. They look great. They're just, I don't know. I love these lashes so much. I love these lashes so much. I love these lashes so much. I love them again. All right, guys, so this is the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe. You're going to see a little circle. And it's going to have my face on it, and you're going to click it, and you're going to subscribe. I'm not taking no for an answer because guess what? It's the summer, and we're moving on from basics. Don't be basic. Subscribe. Bye, guys.